Getting the DNS probe finished, no internet error on Chrome? Don't worry, here's how to fix it step by step. Fix 1. Change DNS settings. Search Control Panel and open it. Click on Network and Internet. Then Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on Ethernet 0 or Wi-Fi, then click Properties. Find Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Set preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and alternative DNS to 8.8.4.4. Check Validate Settings upon exit, then click OK. Click Close, and then close the troubleshooter if it appears. Fix 2. Search Device Manager and open it. Click on Network Adapters. Right-click on your network driver. Click on Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select the network driver. Click Next. Then close. Fix 3. Reset network settings. Search command prompt. Right-click it and run as administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now, type these commands one by one and press Enter after each. ipconfig/release. ipconfig/all ipconfig/flushdns ipconfig/renew netchint IP reset netch winsock reset. Final step, restart your PC. Right-click on the Windows. Start button. Click Restart. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.